Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick some cards today and see what comes out today. Worry in a box. Are thoughts of worry plaguing your mind, slowing you down and consuming your ability to focus and organize thoughts? Rest easy. There is a way to break free from this cynical game of worry and doubt. Imagine any thought or distracting bodily sensations as an object. Turning those thoughts into objects creates separation from what is real and what is merely a figment of your imagination, a result of past conditioning. Now, with those thoughts in hand, put them in an imaginary shoebox. Close the lid and place it on a shelf in your mind and tell yourself that you can go back to that box at any time, but for now, it will stay on the shelf until you need it. Swap shop, socialize, bond, and go green. Repurpose or exchange. Sort through clothes, books, tools, or toys that you no longer use. Organize a swap with a friend. Who will you share with? Have you ever done that before? Letting go means simply to let the feeling be there and to focus on letting out the energy behind it. The technique is to be with the feeling and surrender all efforts to modify it in any way. Let go of wanting to resist the feeling. It is resistance that keeps the feeling going. All right, which item has our quotes today? Be an energy converter. Whatever comes your way, convert it into what you want it to become. Everything is how you respond to it, not how it actually has to be. An abused child doesn't stop loving their abuser. They stop loving themselves. Do you agree? Is there a problem you want to keep? Why would you want to keep it? Do you trust your instincts? I hope you do. Do your actions match your words? What is exactly right about this moment? How do you connect with nature? Who is with you on your journey? What experiences changed your point of view? And the last one today, how can you become more aware today? All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.